So guys, welcome back to DRAWDY RC. Thank you as always for joining us here. Me and RD's having a good time with these planes, and if you've been with us any amount of time, y'all seen us fly all kinds of things from prop planes to EDFs to little jets, big jets, little prop planes, big prop planes. We're having fun with a bunch of different RC planes. But in today's video, I fly the FMS PILATUS. This is the first time me flying it since I bought it from a buddy of mine. A buddy of mine had this plane. He flew it 3, 4, 5 times. Really didn't like it that much, so he sold it to me, and I painted it up a little bit, kind of customized it the way I like it. And I took it out, got 2 great flights on it. Y'all was so shocked at how good this plane flew. And it was windy. We had 10 to 15s and gusts probably a little bit more than that. And this thing flew absolutely great. I can't wait to fly it when there's not much wind and I can really get up there and get with it. But I can already tell this plane is going to be one of my favorite ones for the hangar. But anyway, I took it out, had 2 good flights on it. Beautiful airplane, CG'd out great. I was running a 3400 4S in it. Flew it twice at about 5 minutes apiece on the same battery. So just doesn't use any juice at all, which I wasn't goosing it or nothing. I was flying it just kind of on my own. Sorry about me shaking here. I'm holding my phone. But yeah, it just flew really good. So hope y'all enjoy the video. As always, thank y'all again for joining us. I got the FMS PILATUS in there, and man, it flew great. So hope y'all enjoy it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to DRAWDY RC. Appreciate y'all joining us. I got the PILATUS, FMS PILATUS. It's a plane I bought off one of our friends. He flew it a couple of times, flew great. I bought it from him and did some more paint job, some painting to it, added some stars to it, just kind of made it personal. I mean, what he liked to do. So today is a true maiden for me on this plane. A little windy. Hopefully it won't affect it too bad. Me and RD just got done flying. RD flew the J65. I flew the 70mm F18, and it tossed it around a little bit, but hopefully the velocity cut right through. 5-bladed prop. Running Ovonics 3400 in it, 4S. We're gonna see what she does, y'all. Maybe a good maiden on it. We're gonna find out. Got a pretty good wind coming out of the west, so we'll see. Pause on me. Sometimes it does that. All you do is just unplug it. Plug it back in. Good. All right. Got it, y'all.
You gonna use flaps for takeoff? Good luck to you. Wow. Yeah, I totally missed it. I had it zoomed up and it jumped right out of the camera. Huh? She looks good. You on high rates? Land it and bump them up right quick. They're flying great. You tried all your flat positions? Yep, you don't need no adjustment there. You're down. Good landing. I thought we put it in there. You should have enough battery to take that thing back up. It was a good maiden. Yeah, you got enough to go back up. Put you some put you some rudder in the thing. You want me to cut while we put the rudder in? Yeah. All right. All right. He has just put some more throws in it. It was too low for him, and he put a little bit of rudder in the mix. So when he turns the ailerons, the rudder will assist in the turn. Wasn't turning like he wanted to, so like I said, he upped his throws, his rates. I think he's like at 80% now? He's like 80% now, so all right, go with it. that like you like it? Put that thing on the ground. Remember, it floats. Congratulations there, kid.
Good flight by PILATUS. Great flyer. Great plane, y'all. You only go get to one. That was. So I'd say that wasn't too bad for a maiden flight with a PILATUS. I've never flown that thing before, and got 2 5-minute flights out of one battery, one 3400 4S on that thing. And man, y'all seen it. It was a great flight. It flew great. I can't say enough about FMS and what they've done with this PILATUS. That thing is awesome. But one of my faves in the hangar for sure. Thank y'all again for joining us here at DRAWDY RC. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Make sure you check us out at DRAWDY RC on Instagram. Also, Hobby0127 on TikTok. And we do also have a Patreon page where you can become a Patreon and see a bunch of the things I'm doing, not only in the RC world, but in the model world. I got some models I'm building. I got some over here. And I put just about everything I do model-wise on our Patreon page. So if you want to become a patron and see some of the things I'm doing with my modeling, I got all kinds of modeling stuff behind me. Go check it out, and we appreciate it as always. So until next time, keep flying, have fun with the hobby. We'll see you on the next one.